this is Ms. Hurst coming at you with another quick tech tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go through and add an EdPuzzle assignment after you've already installed the LTI app in Schoology. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Add Materials. Once you've done so, you'll see that EdPuzzle turns up on the right-hand side. All you have to do is click that. And now, as long as you were already logged into your EdPuzzle account, it's going to pop up with any videos that you have in your content. I can pick any of the videos that I have currently set up. As you can see, I have 29 more, but I'm just going to pick this one right here on Similar and Congruent because it's easy and right there. I can review the video and make sure it has everything that I want. Hit Assign, turn on closed captioning. That's always what I like. And now, as you can see, it's going to be here in my course, right at the bottom. Similar and Congruent. Now, the next part that we do is extremely important. Your video will not work unless you do this step. What I have to do is I have to go over here to this little gear icon. I have to click Edit. See how it says automatic based on URL? Unfortunately, they don't communicate that well, so that doesn't work. I have to switch it to saying EdPuzzle. Then I need to enable grading. And now it depends on if you want to have it be a real grade or not. So currently, I don't want it to be a real grade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new grading category, and I'm going to call it Extra. You can call it whatever you want. And finally, if I wanted to set the due date, that's what I'm going to do now. So let's say I want to do on the 30th. So you can see that I have an assignment here. It's in this extra category, so it doesn't count towards my grade. I have a numeric scale, PD, everything's set up, everything's there. It says EdPuzzle. So my final step is just to save those changes. And I'm all done. It's that easy. I can just click on this now as a teacher and see how my students have done on this assignment. As you'll see here, I don't have anyone that will show up in this course for it. So it's that easy. You can see your student name, how much they've watched, what grade they got in, last time they watched it, and if it's been turned in. I hope this helped, guys. Bye-bye.